Alright, you guys, so here's the finished look at my Marilyn Monroe hair ties. You guys, I just love these, and because they're like, you know, all the colors, like I can wear this with all different types of outfits. I'm going to start. I'm going to admit I've been lazy in my shop. You guys, I haven't been putting up nothing new. But I really do want to solely make jewelry and like hair accessories. Like that is my favorite thing. That is what I am just passionate about making. So I'm going to be focused on doing that and getting new items in my shop. But I just wanted to come on here and show you guys that are, you know, crafters and that have button makers. You know, do not sleep on your button makers. There's so much that you can do, so many different items that you can sell in your shop. Yeah, I'm going to be using my button maker for hair accessories as well as jewelry. It's all types of things, but these right here, you can also use these to attach onto shoes, you know, the shoestrings. Look at that, you guys. I love it, especially that one. Like that one is just amazing, amazing. Okay, so if you guys have any questions at all, as always, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.